A potentiometer circuit has been set up for finding the internal resistance of a given cell. The main battery used across the potentiometer Y has an EM of 2.0 volts and a negligible internal resistance. The potentiometer wire itself is a 4 meter long. When the resistance R is connected across the given cell has a value of, the first case it is a infinity and the second case it is 9.5 ohms. Now, the balancing length on the potentiometer wire is on to be found to be 3 meter and 2.85 meter respectively. The value of the internal resistance of the cell is, what is the internal resistance? Resistance, that one we need to find here. Okay, here if you are going to observe this one, the one potentiometer has the setup, everything is there. And in first case it is infinity and second case is 9.5 ohms. Okay, then we know that the internal resistance of the unknown cell, the internal resistance of unknown cell can be determined by the equation, that is R times L1 by L2 minus 1. Here L1 and L2 are the remaining lengths of the potentiometer Y. So it is to be found that 3 meters and 2.85 meters respectively. Then R value, it is, we are going to take here, it is 9.5 ohms here. Then by taking this one, 9.5 into 3 divided by 2.85 minus 1. Then by simplifying, we get the answer 0.5 ohms. Then option C is the right answer.